Hello all, much love to everyone out there right now, and I hope we have better times ahead of us. I have some exciting stuff to show you today. I was selected as a beta tester for Melodics. Now if you don't know what Melodics is, it's a really cool application where you can learn how to play drums, keyboards, or even finger drumming. So they have lots of different lessons on there. You can try a couple as a demo user, or if you sign up with a subscription, there's tons of lessons for all those different instruments of all sorts of different music genres as well. So what they're implementing as the beta right now, that I was selected as a tester, is a way where you can create your own lesson for tutorials if you were a teacher, or to show people how to play your own original music. And for the lesson, it teaches you how to play the drum beat first in your left hand and then play the synth lead on your right. Check this out.
This one's really cool. This is an electronic piece, and this is my description for it. Living Pixels by Drum Pop. I graded it at 8. Learn to play a drum beat with the left while holding chords and arpeggios on the right. Keyboard split adds value to performance. So what this is like, it's when you have a keyboard split where you can play one instrument with your left hand and another one with your right, or even a multitude of different instruments depending on what octave range they need to play for the song. Keyboardists and electronic musicians use this a lot for performance, and it adds value to the stage too. I was in an electronic band for a while where the keyboardist would actually play percussion with his right hand up in this area. So anyhow, it's very cool. It's I haven't seen, it's a cool thing to use as an electronic keyboardist and electronic musician, and I haven't seen a lesson like that on Melodics yet. So I thought that I would make one. Now there might be one, I just haven't seen it yet. That's all. And so this is a 6-step lesson. And so what we do is we're going to first learn the verse keys, learn the chorus keys, learn the verse beat, learn the chorus beat, practice the combination of using your left hand as a drummer and then playing the chords and the arpeggio with your right hand, and then the final performance. This has no background track to it. This is, I noticed not a lot of lessons did. So like, I was like, well, I'll just see what it's like. And I also was kind of giving myself the goal to see how small I could make this project. So that's the other thing with it. So I think I don't overdo on the samples. Yeah, so the only samples you use are in the range that it is. And then there's a couple cool little drum beat samples down here. All right. What you end up learning is a cool little ditty like this. Okay, and then the chorus goes something like this. 2, 3. All right, so we're going to learn how to play that. I'm not going to go through the whole lesson through here with the video, but that's what it's lessons for. So so part 1 is learning. Part 1 and 2 is learning the keyboard part, and then part 3 and 4 is learning how to do the drum beats. And so we have here the A minor. It starts on, and it's learning that arpeggio. Okay. And information, the verse keys start with an A minor arpeggio. There you go. It's got the description, and you can listen. And you can do that lesson. Or that step. All right. And so then let's go to some drum beats. So learn the chorus beat, learn the verse beat. So the verse beat is pretty cool. The description, use your left hand to play a simple drum beat, catch the rhythm easily with the similar verse pattern of the right hand. And what this is meaning is we're still doing the same arpeggio motion with our left hand that we're doing with our right hand at the same time. So it's easy to perform, and it sounds really cool. So here we go. and so on. And so that's, and then we got these labeled too, C, E, and G over here. So that's the steps of learning how to play the drums, and then you have the combination practice, which is just kind of a simplified version, and it's just getting used to using your left hand to play drums, and then doing the keyboard part that we learned with the right, and then we have the total performance, which I will now perform a teaser for you.